Is your car quietly draining your wallet? Don't wait for that check engine light. Today, I'll give you the ultimate car care checklist. Simple steps that can save you thousands and keep your ride running for years. After 50 years as a mechanic, I've seen too many people pay for repairs that could have been avoided. But you're about to become a smart car owner. No fancy tools or degrees needed. The difference between a $5 fix and a $5,000 disaster. Just a little know-how in action. Let's start with what happens when you ignore the basics. Trust me, it's not pretty. Neglect leads to blown engines, seized transmissions, and stranded drivers. So, let's dive into the nightmare scenario first, so you know exactly what's at stake. Skipping an oil change? That $50 savings can cost you a $6,000 engine. Old oil turns to sludge, causing metal parts to weld together. Total engine failure. Transmission fluid? Ignore it, and you're looking at a $3,000 rebuild when your car won't shift. Coolant isn't just topped off. It breaks down, causing rust, clogs, and overheating. That's a $2,000 plus repair. A $20 serpentine belt can snap and take out your power steering, alternator, and water pump, stranding you with a $1,000 bill. It's not just money, it's lost time, stress, and helplessness. Most people say, "I wish I'd known." Now you do. The real cost of neglect? Thousands in repairs, rental cars, and frustration. But here's the good news. You can stop this cycle. Proactive care, just a few minutes a month, puts you in control. Don't wait for a breakdown. Start with simple monthly checks. It's easier than you think, and it's the first step to keeping your money where it belongs. Let's get to it. Here's your first defense, a 10-minute monthly check. Set a reminder, first Saturday of every month. Start with your tires. Use a cheap pressure gauge and check the sticker inside your driver's door for the right PSI. Underinflated tires wear out fast and waste gas. 2 minutes, big savings. Pop the hood. Check your oil with the dipstick, should be between full and add, and amber, not black. Low or dirty oil? Change it before it kills your engine. Check coolant, brake fluid, power steering, and washer fluid. All should be between min and max. Low brake fluid could mean worn pads or a leak. Get it checked ASAP. Walk around and check all your lights. Headlights, turn signals, brake lights, reverse lights. Burned out bulbs are cheap to fix but expensive if you get a ticket, or worse, cause an accident. This quick routine catches 90% of problems before they leave you stranded. You'll spot leaks, dirty oil, and failing lights before they become disasters. It's like a doctor's checkup for your car, and you're the doctor. 10 minutes, once a month, saves you thousands. Be proactive, not reactive. You're saving money, time, and stress. That's smart car ownership. Ready for the next level? Let's go deeper. Every 3 months, do a deeper check, your quarterly inspection. First, the engine air filter. Pop open the airbox. If it's dirty or you can't see light through it, replace it. Next, the battery. Check for white or blue-green corrosion on the terminals. Clean it off with baking soda and water. Belts. Look for cracks, fraying, or shiny spots. Squeeze them. They should be firm, not brittle or mushy. Hoses. Squeeze for firmness. Check for cracks or bulges, especially near clamps. A bad belt or hose can leave you stranded. Catch it now, fix it cheap. This quarterly deep dive is about finding problems before they explode. You're not waiting for a warning light, you're hunting down issues early. Dirty filter, corroded battery, cracked belt, soft hose. These are your clues. Find them now, fix them on your terms, and save a fortune. Preventative care is always cheaper than emergency repairs. You're the detective. Spot the clues, solve the problems. That's how you stay ahead. Once a year, see a pro. Your car's annual checkup. A good mechanic has tools and experience you don't. Ask for a full inspection: brakes, suspension, exhaust, and leaks. Be specific. Show you're informed, not an easy target. They'll spot worn brake pads, torn CV boots, leaking shocks, and rusted exhausts. Stuff you can't see at home. When they give you recommendations, ask questions. Can you show me? Is it urgent? This yearly inspection lets you budget for repairs and avoid nasty surprises. Build a relationship with a trustworthy mechanic. They're your partner, not your enemy. Do your own checks monthly and quarterly, then use their expertise for the big stuff. That's the perfect partnership for a reliable, affordable car. Here's your car care calendar. Simple, powerful, and proven. Monthly, 10-minute check. Tires, fluids, lights. Quarterly, add air filter, battery, belts, and hoses. Yearly, full inspection by a trusted mechanic. Print out the free checklist in the description and keep it in your glove box. No more excuses. Just a simple plan that saves you thousands. This isn't just about money, it's about confidence and peace of mind. You'll know your car is safe, reliable, and ready for anything. Protect your investment, your time, and your sanity. Set reminders, follow the plan, and take pride in your ride. Your future self, and your wallet, will thank you. Download the checklist, share this video, and help others save too. Rev up your engines and take control. That's it. A simple plan to keep your car running and your money in your pocket. Spend a few minutes each month, and you'll avoid big repair bills and headaches. The most expensive repair is always the one you didn't see coming. Now you'll spot them early. If this helped, like and subscribe for more smart car care tips. Download your free checklist and share this with someone who needs it. Take care of your car, and it'll take care of you.